Welcome to the fastest 2 minutes in automotive. This is the rundown.
Kevin, welcome back to our weekly rundown summer edition. I was looking at used car values and they're creeping up, which is good and bad, right? They're getting a little bit more expensive. Top performers were older vehicles, 8+ years. And then really no surprise to me was EVs, especially considering the price of gas. I know we're paying almost $80 to fill up some of our cars over here. EVs are $6 or so to fill up, right? So the cost of ownership, especially for traveling, is crazy on EVs. Good news for our shop owners, older vehicles, right? They're going to come back into the base for the shops that we work with. Big driving holiday. What did Memorial Day weekend look like?
Just happened last week, and despite those soaring prices that you had mentioned before, early returns from AAA shows that there were about 45 million Americans that traveled during that holiday. 39.1 million of those were actually by car. So people are still investing in that gasoline to get them to where they need to go. AAA also has early returns that about 350,000 roadside service calls were made nationwide. So goes right into the auto repair side of things for aftermarket. And last time we got together, we talked a little bit about the Repair Act. I know there's been some good news and some bad news. Can you share that with us?
Yeah, there was unfortunately a little bit of a setback. So the bill that it was originally part of got kind of pushed back a little bit. However, they did scale back the version of the bill and they have it in the surface transportation bill. So leadership's committing to continue to work on it before it reaches the House floor. So still movement, a little bit of setback, but we're headed the right way. We're going to pop over to our Feel Good. What do you have for us?
Yeah, I thought this one was pretty cool, especially with a lot of the drivers being on the road in the last week or so for the holiday. But the NABC and IIHS held a free training for vehicle extraction for first responders over the weekend. So basically training that first unit of responders coming into car accidents, how to properly and safely extract folks from those specific accidents. So really great that we can continue offering that education across the board. Thanks everybody, and we'll see you next time.